Hi, I am Mara. You are watching Golden News Channel today, 31st of August 2020. Now headlines. Mustafa Adib nominated for Lebanon's PM. Floods kill 24 in India. Lady Diana, 23 years later still rules millions of hearts. Fire in Spain's forests, thousands move to safer places. Italy, 3 migrants killed in boat fire. Canada. Protesters smash first Prime Minister's statue. Now details of headlines. You are watching Golden News Channel. Please share this video and subscribe our channel. Mustafa Adib nominated for Lebanon's PM. Saad al-Hari renominates Mustafa Adib for Lebanon's Prime Minister. According to the foreign news agency, Mustafa Adib is the ambassador of Lebanon in Germany. It should be noted that Lebanese Prime Minister Hassan Diab resigned on August 10 after an explosion at a port in the Lebanese city of Beirut this month. Floods kill 24 in India. The worst situation was due to rains and floods in different states of India. 24 people were killed in various accidents in Madhya Pradesh and Orissa. In August, India received 25% more rainfall than usual in 44 years, causing floods in the central part of India after the dam was filled. The flood situation in Madhya Pradesh affected 12 districts and 9,000 people have been evacuated. As many as 800,000 people have been affected by the flooding of 500 villages in Odisha. 50,000 people have been shifted to safer places in Odisha. Lady Diana, 23 years later still rules millions of hearts. Forgetful, attractive personality. 23 years have passed but Lady Diana's memory could not be erased. British Princess Lady Diana still rules over millions of hearts. Lady Diana, Princess of Wales, better known as Lady Diana, was born on July 1, 1961, in Norfolk, UK, and was married on July 29, 1981. To Crown Prince Charles of Great Britain. Their wedding was called a fairy tale marriage and was watched by millions around the world. They have 2 sons, Prince William and Prince Harry. The world's most popular royal couple divorced in August 1996 after 16 years of marriage. Princess Diana died in a car accident in Paris on August 31, 1997, but her charismatic personality and philanthropic work will always be remembered. Fire in Spain's forests, thousands moved to safer places. The terrible fire in the forests of Spain burned 9,000 acres of land. In the southern parts of Spain, the fire moved closer to residential houses. Thousands of people from affected areas moved to safer places. The fires have been continuing to increase over 4 days. More than 200 firefighters and 26 aircraft are participating in the firefighting efforts. Italy, 3 migrants killed in boat fire. 3 migrants were killed and 5 injured when a boat caught fire off the Italian coast. According to Italian authorities, the boat's engine caught fire. 20 migrants were on board. 2 men and a woman were among those killed. Officials said the injured have been rushed to the hospital. 2 police officers participating in the rescue operation are also affected by the fire while the search for the other people on the boat is on. Canada. Protesters smash first Prime Minister's statue. During a protest rally in Montreal, Canada, protesters tore down a statue of Sir John Macdonald, the country's first Prime Minister, detonating the statue's head. The incident happened on Saturday as protesters marched back to the end of a peace march, during which some people climbed on the monument and tore down the statue, while a video of the incident went viral on social media. According to Sergeant Macdonald, in 1867, became Canada's first Prime Minister. Police in riot gear stormed a rally on Friday, removing hundreds of protesters by truck. Police in riot gear stormed a rally on Friday, removing hundreds of protesters by truck. Violent protests erupted in the United States after the death of a black citizen, George Floyd, by police, and in June a video went viral in which Canadian police forcibly arrested a local leader. Thanks for watching Golden News Channel. Please subscribe our channel and share this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.